Alright guys, so before you continue working on your assignments, just have one thing. So yesterday we left out an arrow here, like every time when we go to the websites, if you are trying to edit any websites, it's going to pop up an arrow. Like here I'm in the website list. If I click the any edit button, it's going to bring up an arrow here saying name of undefined, cannot read property name of undefined, cannot read property name of undefined, things like that. So that is happening because it is trying to getting our name of the website to as the initial value in the form. Remember, like if we're checking our web edit component, website edit component, you see like we have, let me increase the font a little bit. Font size. Alright, so you'll see like we set it up that those two input group, those two input fields equals to this. The first one is it's ng model binded with website name, and second one is binded with website description. And so the name and the description actually from the website, and the website. If you're checking the TS file here, we declare the website of variables in the class, and also we initialize the value of it by sending a request to the server in the ng-init function. Like we send out a request and asking for the website information in the ng-init. And remember, like so ng-init is a little bit of a special function. It is running every time when the page is rendered. Like when the page is rendered, then the ng-init is going to run immediately by itself. But like when the page is rendered, there's actually is check the HTML file is starting checking what is the name of the website, what is the description of the website. But at this point, the response haven't getting back from the server yet. So this is why we're getting an error saying I cannot find the name of the website. What is website is? You just define this variable, but it's still undefined. There's no any data inside it. So this is what error coming from. Before the ng-init, there is no data for it. So to fix that error, it's actually not causing any issue here, but we don't really want to show some errors in our console because it's gonna help. It's gonna like block us to see any other errors. If any other error happening, it's gonna be a lot of them, right? So to prevent us from that error, we're going to, when we declare that website variable, we're going to give some initial value for it, and then when the HTML trying to get in the value of the website, it can find something there. And once the ng-init function is running, those initial values are going to be replaced by the real data. All right. So in here, when we declare the website variable, we're going to say that is an object, and it has a name. We can just give the empty string here, and same thing for the description. Description. Yeah, this is just empty stuff. And the website also has something else, because here if you just somebody saying the website also requires a developer ID, and so let's add a developer ID for it. So we can just put also empty here. Yep. So this is just initialize some value for the website. And right now, if I come back to my page, there's no any error anymore. So we have some initial values. Let's HTML know, like even if that's empty. So it's just to prevent us from like when the page is rendering and the HTML cannot find those values. Now they can find some empty values there, and once the page is rendered, and we cannot even see it, and then ng-init function is running, and they're gonna replace our old empty values into the real value from the server. Right? So that's a way we're gonna fix those errors. And this error will happening again when we're trying to add it to the page, or when we're trying to add it to the widgets. So if you meet the same error, you should be able to fix them by yourself. I discussed with tutors and also with the director, like in the future, I'm not going to record the videos for all the parts of the assignments, just a part of them. Like for example, I already did the video for the website. I'm not going to do the one for the page because they are almost the same thing. Because the website just contains a lot of page, a page just contains a lot of widgets. Basically, literally they're just the same. So I'll leave the page part for yourself. All right. And so today we're not going to have a lecture for the pages soon, and just give you some time to working on your own, try to finish by yourself. And you still have 1 more week to working on this assignment, which is due on the Monday after the Thanksgiving. And also we will have a quiz on that day too. All right. So and also I'm discussing with tutor because some students are not following very well, we may try to modify our curriculum a little bit and give you more time to understand what you're trying to do and understand how you can transfer those skills you learned in the assignment to really become a skill of yourself, right? So just keep working, and we'll let you know what the update of the curriculum and the updates of the future learning. And also, we're planning to adding a team project in our curriculum. Like we discussed with some employers or in other companies, they really cares. As I said, they really cares about if you have any experience in team working, because in the real industry, most projects are done within a team. It's mostly impossible for you to create and maintain and update a website by yourself for all the time, right? So we'll be thinking about to form students into a team and have a team project in the future, right? So just keep working on your assignment.